All right, setup's quick and easy. Holes like so. And this puppy's pretty heavy. Make sure to face it towards the shorter end. And we can select our height. All right, let me see. And we got these nice little grooves right here to put our metal in. And this guy should slide in. All right, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and I can place it up against the side. Take my good old ESD gun and pop it. Of course, you gotta mount your ground resistance cable there too. So do that side, and then nice, easy wheels to roll it around. Go ahead and do the next side.